Oh, well, right then folks, just another little potato reveal. As you can see, tops have died off, so I've pulled the tops off. They died off quite a while ago. This is the variety called Jazzy. Again, in my little 10 litre pot. See what we've got in this one. Very dry, the compost, so we'll see how we get on. New varieties for me, Jazzy. Looking quite good though. Just about perfect size for me, those. Some of the others were a bit bigger, but I think Jazzy is supposed to grow quite a lot of potatoes, but a little bit smaller. And they do seem to be quite a lot. I'll have to remember to keep a few of these for seed potatoes for next year. And I am growing some outside, so it should be quite prolific outside. So yeah, looking quite promising. As I said, quite a small potato, so you can be eating these whole probably. That's caught a bit of the sun, so that's green, so we won't be eating that one. Yeah, the tops died off quite soon with these, so they're ready. Look at that, you get a few little big ones, a few big ones as well. But plenty of these, so I'm pleased with these. It's been a really good year for these potatoes this year. No idea why, because the weather's been atrocious. I can only put it down to the Spuds Galore Fertilizer I used again. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to have a look at that stuff. I think it has made an amazing difference this year. Missed a little one there, another green one unfortunately. So yeah, that's Jazzy. A little bit smaller than the other ones, but still not a bad crop. That's about it folks. See you later.